headlines. Second International Day of Yoga observed widely in Manipur. Hello, Satyamala Farambam, welcome you all in AS TV News. Now the news in detail. As observed in other parts of India and abroad, the second International Day of Yoga was widely observed in Manipur too. Manipur State Ayush Society and Manipur State Yoga Association jointly observed the day at Ima Kodonghanbi Community Hall on DM College campus today. Health Minister D. Korungthang, Health Director O. Ibomsa, Director of Ayush K. Lokendro, and many others took part in the observance where different asanas were demonstrated. Everyone present to the observance took part in the demonstration. Later, participants took out a march in Imphal carrying messages about several benefits that a yoga practitioner can gain. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Korungthang said, "Today, human beings are leading a life of unrest while the love for one another is decreasing constantly." Having said that, practicing yoga doesn't only help people bring peace and healthy body and mind in them, but also has a great responsibility towards bringing peace and harmony in society. He sought people's cooperation in trying to bring peace in society by spreading the message about benefits of yoga.
Lady Puja Purna, Pata of Herga Yamna Tungul Sava Abimba, State of Oil Society of Oil Immunity Kantum Abimba, Kanja Oil, Sisters and Brothers Abimba, William Amat kami siapa tu itu hadi berkawan dengan seniman kami.
Yoga Training and Research Center Manipur also observed the day at Kangla today. Minister I. Hemochandra, yoga trainer I. Ibotong Singh and President of the Center Y. Bazao were the main guests at the observance. As part of the observance, the members of the center presented a yoga demonstration too. Yoga Physics Institute and Study Manipur and Manipur Dramatic Union jointly observed the second International Day of Yoga at the MDU Hall at Yai School today. MDU President KSH Iwal, President of Yoga Physics Institute and Study Samuno were the main guests at the observance. The day was also observed at the complex of the Model Club Singamaka, organized by the club today. BJP Manipur Pradesh Imphal East also observed the day at the Tawan Thawa Community Hall at Porompat District. District BJP President Abdullah, former Minister K. Tomba, former MLA T.H. Nandakishore and N. Indrajit and many other political leaders were present at the observance. A yoga demonstration was also held on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, T.H. Nandakishore said, "Practicing yoga for a while every day not only helps keeping one's body healthy but also gives peace of mind."
Ngasi hari Wednesday aku matam sudah yoga seruk kera aku haksan bersan dia terba yoga di sadan kera aku niom kera wajah lagi lalu aku punya maksud yoga terbaga tiada kajian terba lain ada jalan kita kita haksan terba adu ubah satu dan lain berapa adu masadan se yoga se aku punya kami mereka aku punya tongin mereka apa Miwa apa miwa leba apa leba mau hendak aku memang jauh mati pangasi.
Bharat Swabhaman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West also observed the day at the Yumzao Larenbi Community Hall at Kangavum Lekai today. MLA of Sagolvan AC RK Imo, BST District Prabhari Imphal West M. Saran, Associate Professor M. Binota Devi of DM College and many others were present at the observance. A yoga demonstration was also presented on the occasion.
1, 2, 3.
In Urkhul District 2, the District Police in association with the Nehru Yuva Kendra Urkhul jointly observed the second International Day of Yoga on the Reserve Line campus of Urkhul Police today.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You are watching ASTV News. An unidentified person hurled a bomb at the residence of Guru Mayum Dhanajit, son of Guru Mayum Gauravihari at Sagolbam Indugam Lairak under Lampel police station around 2 a.m. today. There is no report of casualty, however. An A-Star car which was parked at the gate of the house was reportedly damaged. After receiving the information of the blast, security personnel rushed to the spot and took stock of the situation and investigate about how the incident happened. Dhanajit said there is no such kind of monetary demand from any individual or underground outfit so far. Many beneficiaries in Moirang AC have resented that they still haven't received any benefit under the National Food Security Act so far. Many PDS beneficiaries in the constituency also did not receive the PDS materials earlier. Recalling the incident of a brawl that occurred amongst some people over the distribution of ration cards in Moirang AC, one of the women beneficiaries told ISTV News that even though some people even got injured during the brawl, no political party has given any comment on the matter. The beneficiaries, on the other hand, have been remaining deprived of the benefits under the Food Security Act, she added.
Food security matang mi di loi ya na kare wong bi sungarang makada sin kg ewa gi na kutha manga pire atai gi na mi mam da kg manga pire ko gi di separate to min lai re kara ga so buna ml ga so bra da agency ga so bra koi khang de praja ju khangan bi de complaint ka ure ko na te hai kari ha ju list ko pai le ke ba lai ra ba se he na mo le kha ta na mang hal le ba asdadi koi kara da ta ne do khang de ba ko ko sai gi ka le me mata na khoni yen ga da ba ni ha na chung thorai ba du mai na se yen ba se khoni yen ga da ni ni chung thok pira di pha ga da ba.
Another woman beneficiary expressed her desire for the authority concerned to look into the matter and ensure that the beneficiaries receive their rightful benefits in time. She drew the attention of the authority concerned to avail the benefits to the beneficiaries of the constituency at the earliest.
Long su di long le da ba ni na mo ni yen di da ni na ga ri so ni na le ji mo da ko na ha ni pangan du le je di yen di da ni na no ma gi apang ai adom pang la ba dom ni ba dom cha re.
A discussion on tourism as a driver of sustainable development in Northeast India was held at London yesterday. It was organized under the aegis of Indian High Commission UK. The discussion thoroughly discussed about various agendas, Northeast tourism and a cultural program marked the day. The place where the shrine and ground for Ipathokok Narentong, which is constructed opposite to NG College, adjacent to the quarters, has been imposed ban as heaps of garbage collected from the Imphal city has been piled off at the said area, which has caused a lot of inconveniences to the residents of the area. A resident of the area said repeated attempts are made to inform them not to litter the garbage at residential area but not paid heed, and hence the step to impose ban on the area has been resoluted.
Amot pasi haidok pasina ikoi manam maha mayam sina haying mayam sina ikoi leba yada baneba mayam chai sing chawa yadre nanare adagi angang apit pasahi amani da ngai siauri ahum ngai siauri manga so pasu leidi ado mayam sigi khalaga mayam si ying khalamina se haibada mayam sina moi gi pathako ki minadi yaningte ado moi ladi numini matam piya khoi dinga sidagi hen mangam jararo haibani.
Family members of late Devina Takhelambam of Sagar Road, Takhelambam Lekai, who died in the recent past, have not only distributed rations to the BB Paul Mental Development Home, but also organized a feast for the inmates at the home. Speaking on the occasion, father of the deceased, Irabot, said the act of helping hand has been initiated as his daughter had expressed that she would sacrifice her life for the betterment of the mentally challenged people when she was alive.
Isa mi piye sina mana laingi matamda kari haina hairamge haiba matamda aigi kari gumum tar ku khudim mata ai nahi saure haraga aina orphanage center sing je kana lejedraba mi ga mi mana draba mayam singa se masigi seba taruga ai punsi le pa mi ha se ma yam toina hairam adubu aigi wakandadi mapai gi wakandadi mi ga mi mana draba haiba se masi ai di masi haijaringdi makhoi asi Bhagavan gi naknaraba isur gi dut amani haina aina lawjei.
Second International Day of Yoga observed widely in Manipur. With this, we end the ISTV News at this hour. Thank you.